Hi there, guys. We are on our fourth part of our 7-part series of our budgeting with children. And if you missed parts 1 through 3, go ahead and click the link in the description bar so that you can watch those. But in the meantime, keep watching this one. Hi there, and welcome back to the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today we are on the fourth part of our series, and we're talking about budgeting with a family, with children. Just maybe your income isn't the highest that you want it to be, but we're going to talk about getting your budget under control no matter what's going on with you. I have 5 different budget rules that are out there that people use from time to time to set their budget up. So when you're using a budget rule, these budget rules will help you decide how you want to organize your money. Do you want to put savings first? Do you want to put yourself first? Do you want to put bills first? Do you want to put investing first? What do you want to take care of first and foremost in your budget? So I'm going to go through these 5 different rules. There are more out there, but these are the five that I resonate with the most. So I wanted to share those with you. So let's get into it. The 50-30-20 rule is the first one. The 50-30-20 rule just simply says 50% goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, 20% to your savings and your debts. So your needs are like your essentials, like your housing, your electricity, and all of those things that you need to sustain your life, right? The wants are things that you might want to have. A cup of coffee, Hulu, Netflix, those type of things, those streaming services, those are things that you may want. And then the 20% is for savings. We all know what savings is. You put it into an account. It might be your emergency fund or something like that. And then your debts. It may be loans that you need to pay off, credit cards that you need to pay off, student loans, whatever it is. Those are the things that are considered debts. Next rule is the 50-40-10 rule. So in the 50-40-10 rule, 50% is for needs, 40% is for your savings and investments. So we're adding investing in there. And then 10% is for your wants. I don't know about that one. This one seems like it's kind of putting more towards your savings and your investment. And I do believe in saving and investing, but with your wants, then you're putting yourself on the back burner. So there's something to consider in this budgeting rule. So if you've been watching me for any amount of time, you all know that I am a huge fan of a good cup of coffee, taxes, and a great budget. Why? Because budgeting can help you manage your money in both your business and your personal life. Budgeting will help you get control of your money and know exactly where every dollar is going in and out of your business or your personal life or your home. So what I offer you, as always, are my 3 budget binders. They come in pink, black, and white. And in these budget binders, let me show you what's inside. So let me show you what's inside of the binder. As you know, like I showed you, we have the pink and the black. The inside of the binders are these beautiful envelopes. Also, it will come with the budget binder sheets and a pen to match the binder. So if you're interested in any of the binders, make sure that you click the link below and order yours today, because they will help manage your money and help you get on the right track to knowing your money. Now, with the 70-20-10 rule, this is one is a little bit different. So that means 70% of your income goes to bills and your daily spending. 20% goes to your savings and your investing, and then 10% goes to debt and donations. Here we're adding donations like charitable contributions, maybe to your church, a nonprofit organization that you support. So this is something a little bit different that you can use to increase your giving, and then also increase your investing. So our fourth budget rule is the 60-30-10 rule. Now, in this rule, this one is a little bit different because 60% will go to your savings, investing, and your debt. That means you're putting the majority of your income towards saving, towards investing for your future, and towards paying down your debt. 30% will go to your needs. So again, that's your bills, your household things that you need to survive from day to day. And then your 10% will go to your wants. In this one, you would choose this if this is something that you're trying to do. Maybe you're trying to pay down debts. Maybe you're on your way to retirement. This is a good one to choose for that situation. And our last budget rule is the 80-20 rule. People usually use this a lot because that means 80% goes to your wants and 20% goes to your savings. Now, the 80% to your wants has to definitely mean that the wants are also including your day-to-day life. So your bills, your whatever you have going on from day to day, 80% of your income goes towards that. The other 20% goes to your savings. And this one is a good one if you are younger and you're trying to get your everything in order. You don't have that many responsibilities. You don't have that many bills or anything like that. This is one that younger people would tend to gravitate towards. So there you have it, guys. 5 different ways that you can split up your money or that you can make your budget so that you can make it work for you. Which one are you going to choose? Tell me down in the comment section so that I know what path that you're going to go on. And remember, you do not have to continue to use the same budget rule all throughout your budgeting time frame. You might want to start with the 80-20 and then switch over to the 50-30-20. It's up to you. Again, this budget is for you and your family. You need to make the best choice that's going to work for your family, and you need to do it so that it's beneficial for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this has helped you. If it has, make sure that you join the Financial Spotlight family by clicking on the subscribe button, and we would love to have you. Thanks for joining me. Have a good one. Bye.